Imagine this. You are working hard at the gym, eating right, and staying active. But no matter what, your muscles slowly shrink as the years pass. What if I told you that there is one simple food you can add to your diet today that can help stop muscle loss instantly? This is not hype. It is backed by science. Stay tuned because the answer may surprise you. Muscle loss, also called sarcopenia, is a natural part of aging. Starting around the age of 30, the body begins to lose muscle mass little by little every year. This may not sound dramatic, but by the time you reach 60 or 70, it can mean the difference between staying strong and independent or feeling weak and fragile. The good news is that the solution is much closer than you think. Scientists have studied for decades how nutrition can protect our muscles, and one food stands out more than almost any other. That food is the humble egg. Why the egg? Because it is a complete protein powerhouse. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. These amino acids are the building blocks of muscle. Without them, your body struggles to repair and grow muscle fibers. But there is more. Eggs are one of the richest natural sources of leucine. It's a specific amino acid that plays a key role in triggering muscle protein synthesis. Think of leucine as the spark that lights the fire for muscle growth and repair. Studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that leucine is especially effective in older adults, who are more vulnerable to muscle decline. Now here is where it gets even more interesting. Unlike some protein sources that are heavy on calories or hard to digest, eggs are relatively low in calories and easy for most people to absorb. This means you get more usable protein without overloading your system. 1 to 2 eggs a day can make a noticeable difference, especially when paired with regular strength training. Of course, no single food works in isolation. Think of eggs as your muscle protector, but combine them with other protein-rich foods like chicken, fish, legumes, and dairy to build a strong foundation. Add resistance exercises like lifting weights or even simple bodyweight movements, and you will see your strength and energy return. You might be wondering if you can only eat the whites, or if the yolks are important too. The truth is, the yolk contains most of the vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin D, B12, and healthy fats that support not just muscle, but also overall health. Unless your doctor has told you to avoid yolks, eating the whole egg is the best choice. Now here's the shocking truth most people overlook. Many skip eggs because of outdated fears about cholesterol. But recent research shows that moderate egg consumption does not increase heart disease risk in healthy individuals. In fact, the nutrients in eggs can actually support heart and brain health. So the very food that many people avoid could be the exact key to preserving their muscles as they age. So what can you do starting today? Add 1 or 2 eggs to your daily meals. Enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or in an omelet with vegetables. Combine them with strength training 2 or 3 times a week, and you will be giving your body the best chance to stop muscle loss and even rebuild what you may have already lost. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so more people can discover this simple secret. Subscribe to HealthAlchemy for more science-backed tips to keep your body strong, youthful, and full of energy. And let me know in the comments. Do you eat eggs daily, or is this a new idea for you? Your story might inspire someone else to take action.